Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome to the channel. Today we have another review of a €2 coin. This is another one of the commemorative coins. This one is a French coin from 2021 and it celebrates 75 years of UNICEF. And on the reverse we have the normal map of Europe on the €2 coin with the valuation. Then on the back, or on the reverse, we have, make sure I get it the right way up, there we go. We have the 75 years, oh, excuse me, we have a motto for each child. We have the 75 years of UNICEF and an allegory of hands. There's an allegory of hands. Ooh, let me have a look at that. There you go. As a key element. This 2021 coin has a mintage of 7,500,000. It was not a common issue commemorative. In other words, it wasn't issued by each of the states that uses a euro. This was a French coin only. It wasn't one of the ones that was issued by the whole states. And what I mean by that is that they had the 10 years of euro coins and banknotes. They had the European flag. They've had, the latest one was the Erasmus coin, which was released by each of the countries that use the euro. This coin was only issued by France to the best of my knowledge. It has a mintage of 7,500,000. It is a lovely coin. I saw it and I thought, yeah, I want to have that one in my collection. I am starting a commemorative €2 collection and also some perhaps rarer ones. I think you've seen some of my ones from Monaco that have shown Prince Albert on the front as you know, the standard €2 coin. So I'm very happy to have this one. I think it's a anniversary that needed to be celebrated, and it was with this coin. So I don't say it very often, but yeah, the French have done well on this one. They've taken a very unique and very worthwhile cause and given it a coin that people can see in their change, and hopefully this will then trigger more people wanting to know more about the organisation, wanting to perhaps follow more what the organisation does, how it's funded, and etc, etc. So I'm very glad to have this coin in my collection. What do you think of it? Do you think it's a coin that deserves, or an organisation that deserves to have a coin celebrating it? I certainly do, and I think a lot of people who view it and know about the anniversary would also agree with that. If you've enjoyed this video, could you please give me the thumbs up? It doesn't cost you anything. And if you're one of the 50% of the viewers that have not yet joined or subscribed to the channel, could you please think about doing so? I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something in each week that you enjoy and you want to watch. I am trying to up my subscription level. I'm currently at around about just under 160, and I'm looking hopefully by Christmas to get that up to nearer 250 as possible, if not more than 250. I know it's a stiff target, but I enjoy trying to reach those sort of goals by the end of this year. If you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. Until we meet up again on this channel, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future, from me, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-ra now.